Cloudwashing. Now, repeat after me. Cloudwashing, cloudwashing, cloudwashing. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning. Cloudwashing refers to the deceptive practice of marketing a product or service as cloud-based when it really isn't, or when the cloud technology is overstated. Companies might do this to capitalize on the hype around cloud computing without actually offering the benefits associated with true cloud services. Think of it like this. If a company rebrands their regular software as a cloud product just to appear modern, that's cloudwashing. In a sentence, the software company was accused of cloudwashing when its service was just a repackaged version of its old software. Here, the company falsely marketed its product as cloud-based. Let's try another example. Cloudwashing can mislead customers into thinking they're getting more advanced technology than they actually are. Synonyms. Some related terms for cloudwashing are tech washing, overstating or exaggerating the technical aspects of a product. Greenwashing, a similar concept but for environmental claims, making something seem eco-friendly when it's not. Antonyms, the opposite of cloudwashing would be true cloud services, actual cloud-based technology. Honest marketing, when a product is marketed for what it truly is. Part of speech. Cloudwashing is a noun referring to the act of falsely advertising something as cloud-based. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.